Dear viewer, join us on the wildest, most hilarious celeb gossip ride. Subscribe and click the bell for all the juicy updates. Well, it looks like the Kardashian clan has been jet-setting across the globe once again, with Kim and Khloé making waves at Anant Ambani and Radhika merchants' star-studded wedding in India. The glamorous sisters looked stunning as they embraced Indian culture, donning traditional bindis and making a splash with the guests and the media. Even their momager extraordinaire, Kris Jenner, felt left out of the fun and expressed her FOMO through Instagram. While the Kardashian-Jenners are no strangers to being in the spotlight, this trip to India was particularly noteworthy for a number of reasons. Not only were Kim and Khloé hobnobbing with some of Bollywood's biggest stars, but they were also soaking up the lavish festivities of one of the most high-profile weddings of the year. From Shah Rukh Khan to Deepika Padukone, the guest list was a veritable who's who of Indian celebrities, and it's no surprise that the Kardashians were eager to be a part of the action. Of course, the Kardashian sisters are no strangers to causing a stir wherever they go. Their bold fashion choices and high-profile relationships have long made them the subject of media attention, and this trip to India was no exception. With their penchant for making headlines, it's likely that their presence at the Ambani merchant wedding only added to the event's already heightened level of buzz and excitement. While Kim and Khloé may have been the center of attention at the Ambani merchant wedding, it's worth noting that their visit to India wasn't just a whirlwind of celebrity sightings and high-profile events. The country is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse landscapes, and it's possible that the sisters also had the opportunity to explore and experience some of these aspects during their stay. In a way, Kim and Khloé's attendance at the Ambani merchant wedding could be seen as a symbol of the growing influence of Indian culture on the global stage. With more and more people around the world becoming interested in Bollywood, Indian fashion, and other aspects of the country's rich heritage, it's no surprise that two of America's most famous reality stars would be drawn to this high-profile event. It's also a reminder that, despite their sometimes tumultuous personal lives and public controversies, the Kardashian-Jenners continue to captivate and fascinate audiences around the world. Thanks for watching. Please kindly let us know what you think about this in the comments section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.